Dear learners, welcome back to my channel. Do people ever think about how their actions affect their lives and those around them? There are some great proverbs in Hindi that capture this idea perfectly. क्या आपने कभी सोचा है हमारे एक्शंस हमारे आसपास के लोगों पर और हम पर किस तरह असर डालते हैं? हिंदी में कुछ बहुत ही अच्छी कहावतें हैं जो इस चीज को बहुत अच्छी तरह समझाती है. Have you ever heard of कर भला तो हो भला or the complete opposite of this, कर बुरा तो हो बुरा? It means do good and good will happen to you. Do evil and evil will happen to you. It's about the idea that our actions, whether good or bad, come back to us. It's about the Hindi word karm, pronounced as karma in English. Its English equivalent is do evil and look for like. जैसा कि हिंदी में कहा जाता है कर भला तो हो भला या कर बुरा तो हो बुरा, जिसे आप इंग्लिश में कह सकते हैं do evil and look for like. Another similar Hindi proverb is जैसी करनी वैसी भरनी. Like the English proverb, as you sow, so shall you reap. It's all about the consequences of our actions. If you plant good seeds, you'll get a good harvest. If you plant bad ones, well, you know what to expect. Like the Hindi proverb, बोए पेड़ बबूल का तो आम कहाँ से होए. In English, this proverb is gather thistles and expect pickles. The word babul means a tree, the acacia tree, and aam means mango. So if you plant babul tree, you can't expect mangoes. जिस तरह की हम हिंदी में कह सकते हैं जैसी करनी वैसी भरनी, तो आप जैसा करेंगे वैसा भरेंगे. अगर आपको इंग्लिश में कहना है तो आप कह सकते हैं as you sow, so shall you reap. जैसा कि एक और कहावत है हिंदी में बोए पेड़ बबूल का तो आम कहाँ से होए, जिसे आप इंग्लिश में कहना चाहें तो आप कह सकते हैं gather thistles and expect pickles. That's a vivid way to put it. That's not all. Here is one more. आप भला तो जग भला. The word bhala means good or kind. The word jug is the short form of the word jagat, which means the world. In other words, if you are good, the world will be good to you. Its English equivalent is good mind, good find. एक और हिंदी कहावत है आप भला तो जग भला, जिसे आप इंग्लिश में कह सकते हैं good mind, good find. It suggests that if you have a positive outlook and do good deeds, you'll find goodness in the world around you. These proverbs really do emphasize the importance of our actions and mindset. It's like a reminder to stay positive and do good no matter what. They remind us that we have control over our actions and their outcomes. By being kind and doing good, we can create a better world for ourselves and others. It's always refreshing to reflect on these wise sayings. Wouldn't it be great to share and discuss these timeless lessons? Thank you, and until next time, keep learning.